Hi guys, I'm back at my place. Guys, siteke sisabukele apha the Madlanga Commission. Wabe u General Mkhwanazi busy talking about the political interference, talking about corruption, etc. Nanko esithi gaxa isigaxa esiyenze inhloko yaspina ke sana, we were like, huh? Dihlekiswe yi-comment section ke sana. So uthi kwiMadlanga Commission usikhumbuze into yobana ngaba uFisokuhle Ntuli wagwetywa for amatyala ayi-4 okuzama ukubulala, and then wase edlulisa elo tyala lakhe egwetyelwe lona ukuthi kuthiwa kuthini ayayenzi appeal. While ebhizi esenza i-appeal wa-apply for i-bail, while he was outside for i-bail, he got arrested for another situation esalindile uba izawuthini indaba yakhe ye-appeal lapho ngaphandle. Waphinda wabanjwa for amatyala ayi-4 okubulala. UFisokuhle ke guys ngunumber 5 phaa kwiSenzo Meyiwa case. I was so shocked. I was like, hayibo, nanku Ntuli is entering the charts. And that led me to think, and I'm sure other people started thinking also, it led me to think ukuthi that is why ke yes, we believe ukuthi uFisokuhle Ntuli never murdered uSenzo Meyiwa. It sounds like, or it looks like uFisokuhle Ntuli has always been hired for political killings there in KZN. His reign of terror, it has something to do with political killings, not anything else. Lega Senzo Meyiwa bambenda nje ngento angayenzanga ngayaziyo. It's because of this character. And if you guys remember, there is a video of Fisokuhle Ntuli when he was being sentenced for one of these cases zakhe somewhere in KZN. I think kwakuseSikhawini or something, I don't remember. But if you find that video, you will find Fisokuhle Ntuli. He did not cut his hair there. He is wearing iskaf ngathi sinendawo ezisi-cream and white or cream and yellow or white and yellow, something like that. But he does say something there uthi ngithatheni mina ningisejele, yabona bonke laba bahlangene ngegama lami ngifunguma uMazungu, intombi yakwaZungu, bazobona ngeke afike uDecember besaphi. Angihleki it serious guys, because the guy is dangerous, according to what the court papers are showing. So he comes across as very dangerous, okay, when those things are being said, and then he's like very angry. I don't know, he's angry because we are Kwetwa, or he was being framed at that time also. He did not do the crime, because at this point you never know when it comes to South African law. You never know within the police, as much as but there are police that are very much right, you never know. So Ufisokuhle was like, so yabona la angekho afika uDecember khona. So even him uttering such is also saying uzayenzani, are you going to do something? Does that mean you did something to someone? And all of that shit. When General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was talking about like he referred to his name because he was saying the highest order of corruption there is judiciary is too much. Because tell me why there is a court that is going to grant uFisokuhle Ntuli bail. Court uFisokuhle Ntuli 4 times killed people. Has been charged for killing people. That's how I must put it. And then when he after getting that situation, uyaphinda uyamkhupha. That's what he is questioning. Umkhupha kanjani danger to society, because now he is out there again. He goes and does other crimes. When yet you give him bail kanjani. So he's like saying that doesn't make sense. I don't know the merits of that, how it happens and stuff like that, but he was referring to into kanjalo ke General Mkhwanazi. And I'm sure there was a buzz, basically, abantu who are standing with the state when it comes to the Senzo Meyiwa case. We are not confused. He did not do the crime of Senzo Meyiwa. He did not. But when it comes to other cases, he can rot in jail for because he has done the crime. If he has done the crime also. If someone is doing a crime, he must pay for it. That I'm not... I'm straightforward. But for something that they did not do, they must not be found or being even put in a situation where they must answer for something that they don't know. I don't know what are your thoughts when it comes to that. And I was like... And do you know when when this one General Mkhwanazi, I think he is up to something. When he mentions Fiso Kuhle Ntuli, I was like, sir, it's either you are up to something or you are trying to say hello to someone. I am coming for you. Hello, Sibiya. Was that something that was directed to you? Hello, Gininda. Was that something that was directed to you? Hello, Baloyi. Was that something that was directed to you? Because Mkhwanazi, where he is sitting, he is dealing with matters. With matters that have to do with the judiciary, that has to do with the SEPs, that has to do with NPA. So those are the people that you can be like, why is he making an example ka Fiso Kuhle? For instance, he could have made any example. Why choose Fiso Kuhle Ntuli? We know who Fiso Kuhle Ntuli is. I found that very strategic. He's up to something. I don't trust him. Uguti, he was just saying it. I think he is up to something, General there. When I did you think he just threw the Fiso Kuhle name Nje for the sake of it? I don't think so. He's up to something and he is going to tell us what it is. I haven't watched Pakule hour at 2 o'clock. I must go catch up and then I'm going to come back with other videos. But it caught me off guard. I was never ready for Fiso Kuhle. I remember we were on a live and then someone started writing, which Fiso Kuhle? Because we are the people that watch the Senzo Miraculous. Someone responds, our Fiso Kuhle. Our Fiso Kuhle. I was so like, what? Which Fiso Kuhle now? Our Fiso Kuhle. And it was a buzz for a moment. They're like, yeah, dangerous that one. No one said he's not. Sorry, no one said he's not. No one said he's not. Yeah, but okay, it is what it is. Kuyacha emadlanga commission there twane babhizi nje babhizi eBridget Mabandla. Is it Mabandla? I think it says Bridget Mabandla ntoni lapho bakhoyo kuyacha abo Fidel Adams babizwa left right hand abo Bheki Cela amagama wabo athe chwapha. Hey kunzima amadoda yatatazela because hey ayikho lula into yokumention kwezazinto inoba izisu ziyaququzela lapho bakhoyo kunzima kuyilo nto ningayazi but ke sizawubona ukuthi izawuthini. There is something else that I want to talk about. I'm going to do another video I suppose because it's really triggering me. I'm trying to understand why is it being done? What does it even mean? Why are they doing it kwa SEPs na kwa NPA? What is the meaning of it? Is it legally? Is it not legally? Hey, ikhona nje enye into engifuna ukubuza kubantu bakwa SEPs nabantu bakwa NPA okanye illegal ntontons, legal analyst or abantu nje who know umthetho. They must tell us what does this even mean because I did not understand. I'm going to make a separate video for it. You guys tell me what it is. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.